Have you ever pondered the huge environmental impact of plastic production and not just the impact of plastic pollution? It's a manufacturing process that's far more complex than you might think. Plastic manufacture plays a massive role in global carbon emissions, and plastic manufacture begins with the production of raw materials or feedstocks like ethylene and propylene. The manufacture of these two chemicals, which are primarily derived from fossil fuels, contributes significantly to global carbon emissions. This manufacturing stage alone is responsible for roughly 6% of the total global CO2 emission and contributes 1,000 to 2,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide for every ton of plastic that is produced. With advancements in technology, we now have bio-based feedstocks from renewable sources and carbon capture technologies. A pioneering company by the name of Made Right is cultivating fungi, an industrial organic waste, and converting these fungi into a biomaterial that substitutes as a sustainable resource for almost any type of plastic packaging. The next step in the plastic manufacturing journey is called polymerization. This is where the feedstock undergoes a chemical reaction that forms long chains of polymers. These are the basic building blocks of all plastics. The amount of CO2 that is released during polymerization does depend on the method used, but estimates can be between 500 to 1,000 additional kilograms of carbon dioxide for every ton of plastic that is produced. Another equally innovative company by the name of Biotic Labs is able to produce eco-friendly polymers from sustainable algae farming. This product not only reduces the amount of carbon being released by current plastic manufacturing companies, but is able to provide a completely biodegradable and eco-friendly solution. The last manufacturing stage of plastic is when it is shaped into various products through extrusions and injection molding. But it is critical that we do not forget just how much carbon is released during the entire manufacturing process and the need to urgently reduce this.